In a show of solidarity, women parliamentarians under the umbrella body Kenya Women Parliamentarians Association KWAPA visited Kenyatta National Hospital, which is at the center of rape allegations.
We asked them why they come as a group, and they said they've ever been called and they were told to go as a group, or when you see a man in the lift, please don't enter. That means it is something that they are aware that they have, so they should not shy away to say that yes, we are aware and we will work towards improving ABCD. Then they'll just save the country a lot of headache.
These claims of sexual assault allegedly by mortuary attendants at the country's largest referral hospital, bringing to the fore the risk nursing mothers are exposed to, even though the institution's CEO feels otherwise.
Mortuary attendants as well are uniformed, operate in pairs, and collect bodies as guided by a coordinating office that receives reports on any deaths during the night.
But Jane, whose name has been changed to protect her identity, says it happened to her not once but twice.
I was going to the nursery, and there were two guys coming from 1D. They were pushing this big trolley. They were wearing white overcoats and white gumboots, and they had greenish uniforms. When we were almost close to each other, I moved. Nikasonga kando, I stood, wapite. Then the guy pushed the trolley towards me. Nilikuwa kwa wall. There's a place hapo kuna kuagana some sort of barrier. He pushed the trolley towards me, and one of them opened the thing. That's when I saw the bodies. I ran, and one of them actually ran after me.
She shared her ordeal with other mothers in the ward, and they warned her that it was not safe to walk around alone at night.
So nilikuwa nimeenda kunyonyesha bado. I had finished. So I was so pressed. I think the hizo fluid intake nini. I was so pressed. Hakuna washroom kwa nursery. I was not aware kama kuna washroom if there is. That trolley yenye wao wanasukuma, it's so noisy. Unaweza isikia, like you can hear it all over the hospital. Inasikikanga. Sikuwa nimeisikia, so nikasema maybe today they are not making rounds. So I decided that let me just run nifike kwa ward. There's this corner and that place is dark. As I was going to make that corner, they were standing there. Two of them, the trolley was hapo kwa corner kabisa. So I stood nikajishika. So when they noticed, wakatokea. Niambia kuja madam, atukulagi watu, just kuja. So I ran back. Luckily, there's this nurse who was coming out of the NBU. Nikaenda, I held her hand. Nikaambia, si unipitishe kwa wale watu wa morgue.
The incident, she says, left her traumatized and she could not breastfeed her baby.
Ilini throw off kabisa, because at night I couldn't even sleep. Nilikuwa naogopa nitalala, and then I meet those people. Because after that incident, there was another lady bado who was accosted hapo kwa lift. Anasema they almost pushed her ndani ya lift. Sasa alikuwa anatunaretia kwa ward, anasema they almost pushed her. So kitu mi ilini, because I'm a new mom, first of all, it's already scary. Alafu unakuja ku experience vitu kama hizi.
Jane acknowledges that her infant was well taken care of at the facility, but says more needs to be done to secure new mothers in the wards.
That lady, the CEO wa Kenyatta, denying everything, saying they're made up tales, knowing very well it happened to me. That's not how it's supposed to be done, because it's actually happening. Maybe they don't know, maybe people are too scared to come and say, but it's actually happening.
Women parliamentarians also feel security should be improved.
It's also important that they realize that the areas that people have talked about are the areas that don't have CCTV. I don't think some of these mothers are very much aware that there could be something like CCTV, but they know that the issue of their security is about even the lighting on the corridors, on the staircase, that they need good lighting. So let the hospital management also look into that.
Led by KWAPA chairperson Wangui Ngirishe and Muranga women representative, who is also the chairperson of the Parliamentary Committee on Health, the legislators said they will probe the matter and give their findings within a week. Caroline Kamar reporting for Channel 1 Weekend.